Hiroshima Castle is a typical flat castle that was constructed by Mouri Terumoto, who was one of the most significant servants of Hideyoshi Toyotomi. Fukushima family and later Asano family lived here during the Edo era. The castle tower was designed as national treasure in 1931. It was destroyed by atomic bomb. Later, the exterior of the castle was renovated in 1958. In 1989, the inside was restored. Today, it has turned into a history museum featuring a castle that has seen tragedy and violence now offers tranquil views of Hiroshima. Although the castle that now overlooks Hiroshima City is a replica built in 1958, the original fortress has a history spanning centuries. But in the late 1500s, it predates the city itself. The castle is now a museum that records the history of the city prior to the atomic bombing and is a faithful representation of the structure it replaced. Hiroshima Castle is also known as Carp Castle. Hiroshima developed as a castle town, whereby the castle was both the physical and economical center of the city. Like the rest of the city, Hiroshima Castle was destroyed by the atomic bomb in 1945. The foundation of the castle are 12.4 meters high and the castle itself is another 26.6 meters high. Hiroshima Castle is relatively rare flat plain castle. Most castles in Japan are built on high grounds. The castle grounds are the very edge of the blast area of the atomic bomb that fell on Hiroshima on August 6, 1945. Although it did not feel the full force of the explosion, the shock waves of the atomic bomb explosion destroyed the lower structures and supports of the castle, causing the buildings to collapse. The style of the new castle stays close to the original, but it employs contemporary building techniques. The keep at the top has a balcony running outside, offering panoramic views of the city and surrounding area. The castle did not survive the bombing, but 3 trees did. Inside the castle walls, you can find a holly, eucalyptus and a willow tree, which were only between 740 and 910 meters from the center of the blast. The castle, which was built in a very strategic position, was once surrounded by moats, one of which survives, fed by nearby Ota River, which in turn surrounds the castle on the 3 sides. The strategic location now gives tourists a great view of the city and surrounding area. The Hiroshima Castle stands as a historical emblem and an iconic monument of the Japanese Edo era and its history. Thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and let's stay connected, explore, dream and discover. Please like and share my videos. Thank you once again.